We decided to head back up to Red Cliffs this morning, which is about 30 kilometers north of Namaseri on the Okavango River. And every year, hundreds of carmine bee-eaters migrate southwards to nest and breed in these cliffs. There were even more birds in the colony than the last time we were up here a couple of weeks ago. And we were greeted by the same spectacle as the last time. The colour and the vibrance and the noise are quite astounding, and as the sun rose above the lip of the cliff above the birds, it started picking out highlights in the ridges and in the birds that were in those areas. And these highlights really just brought out the beautiful colouring of these birds. We spent quite a long time sitting at the base of the cliff waiting for sunlight to hit it, and we found once again that if we sat really quietly and still, the birds paid no attention to us and just carried on with their natural business. We spent most of the morning with the birds and sitting quietly at the base of the cliff, and it was once again a real privilege to be able to sit and watch this totally unhindered natural behaviour and just enjoy the spectacle of colour and motion that was presented to us.